I clean the room every day. I clean the room every day. I sweep the floor in the morning. I sweep the floor in the morning. I mop the kitchen floor. I mop the kitchen floor. I wash the dishes after dinner. I wash the dishes after dinner. I dry the dishes with a towel. I dry the dishes with a towel. I make my bed every morning. I make my bed every morning. I change the bed sheets once a week. I change the bed sheets once a week. I do the laundry on Sunday. I do the laundry on Sunday. I hang the clothes to dry. I hang the clothes to dry. I fold my clothes neatly. I fold my clothes neatly. I iron my clothes in the evening. I iron my clothes in the evening. I clean the windows every week. I clean the windows every week. I dust the furniture. I dust the furniture. I vacuum the carpet. I vacuum the carpet. I take out the trash at night. I take out the trash at night. I clean the bathroom. I clean the bathroom. I wash the sink. I wash the sink. I clean the mirror. I clean the mirror. I scrub the toilet. I scrub the toilet. I wipe the table after eating. I wipe the table after eating. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I cut vegetables in the kitchen. I cut vegetables in the kitchen. I wash fruits before eating. I wash fruits before eating. I boil water for tea. I boil water for tea. I make breakfast every morning. I make breakfast every morning. I set the table before dinner. I set the table before dinner. I clear the table after dinner. I clear the table after dinner. I put the dishes in the cabinet. I put the dishes in the cabinet. I clean the fridge once a week. I clean the fridge once a week. I organize the kitchen shelves. I organize the kitchen shelves.